Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Su-Swagatam app of the Government of India to apply for your e-visa to travel. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have downloaded and installed Su-Swagatam app, and it is open as you can see on your screen. So the very first thing you need to do is to sign up if you don't already have an account. So when you tap sign up, so right now it's loading. So basically you need to select your nationality, passport, date of birth, name, gender, email, mobile, password and confirm password. Then the system will send uh, a confirmation link to your email account. I mean validation link you can say, which you need to click and validate to validate your account. And then you come back here and log in. So I'm gonna log in and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so I logged in. So on the main page you have the option where you can tap on apply for visa. Okay, now see, although e-visa has been extended to many nationalities, some nationalities are like not yet eligible to apply on this app. But yeah, they are keep on adding it. But and so I just do sample. You do as per your own case. So I selected nationality Canada, visa type I select e-visa, purpose e-tourist 30 days, detail purpose tourism, please describe your purpose and nature of visiting a few lines. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna tap on next. It's asking for the select a passport type. I select ordinary. Date of birth select as per your own case. Date of arrival, let's say, yeah, or let's say Christmas day. Port of arrival, now surname as shown in passport, given name as shown in passport. Everything you enter, check it at least 2 times. Have you changed your name? I select no. Gender, town, city of birth, country, region of birth, citizenship, national ID number. It's not mandatory, but yeah, if you have, definitely provide that information. Okay. Religion, visible identification mark, I just selected, it's not I have. Education qualification, did you acquire nationality by birth or by naturalization? Have you lived for at least 2 countries in the country where you are applying for a visa? Yes. Okay, it's mandatory. So in your citizenship certificate you get in Canada, you have this number. So I'm just gonna put some sample. Next comes your passport details. So enter as per your case and be very careful and verify everything 2 times. So I just put some sample. Any other valid passport or identity certificate. So I select no, but do it as per your case. Present address, okay. Permanent address is same, then you can tap there, but yeah, first enter this. So I'm gonna put some sample. Okay guys, so I have put some sample, but do it as per your case and exact. Then I check this box and I go to next. Parent father detail, okay. Okay guys, so I put some sample details, father name, nationality, place of birth, country of birth, previous nationality, region if applicable. Marital status I have selected unmarried. Did your grandparents grandpa, grandma go through the prior referral country procedure from pattern matter Pakistan national or belong to Pakistan held area? Yes, please provide. So I have selected no, but do it as per your case. Oh, it seems I have missed something. Previous nationality. Wow. I don't know why, although it's not mandatory, it was asking for previous nationality region. But anyway, I selected Canada in both the cases. Okay, now occupation detail, present occupation. Employer, your occupation, employer name, your designation, address, phone number. Okay, with past occupation, if any. So you know this, I don't have to tell you. Are you very in a military, semi-military, police, security organization? I have selected no, but do it as per your own case. Places to be visited. So in India, okay, write it down. Have you booked a room in hotel resort? Select yes or no. Expected port of exit. So I'm gonna put some. So I put sample for hotel resort. I selected no because I assume you're gonna stay with your friend's family. Otherwise, select yes and provide details if applicable. Oh, oh my God. Okay, so you can just move some of these here, or I'm gonna write something. Question: have you ever visited India before? I've selected no. Has permission to visit or extend your stay in India ever been refused? I select no. Have you visited any countries in last 10 years? I selected no, but if you have done, definitely. Have you visited any SARC except your own country during past 3 years? I select no. Reference name in India, address, detail, phone. Reference name in home country, so here in this case Canada. So I'm going to put some sample. Now tap on next. Address line 2. Wow, why every field is mandatory? Anyway, okay, have you ever been arrested, prosecuted, refused, invoked in human trafficking, cybercrime, medium express views, sought asylum, political? Should furnished above is correct. Okay, next. Okay, so upload picture. Next is gonna be like your passport too, and then you're gonna pay for the application, and if all granted, you are good to go. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.